Are you ready to take your coolness factor to the next level? Then buckle up because we've got an epic video for you today. In this video, we're showcasing the 8 coolest gadgets for men that are absolutely worth buying. Just before the start, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel to get the latest and coolest gadget updates of all time. Let's get started. Number 1. InHome Fight Coach Robot. Introducing your new interactive training coach from Strick, the RXT1. This sparring robot is a game changer when it comes to improving your reflexes, response time, and mental agility. With 4 foam arms, a head target, and a torso pad included, you'll be able to take your training to the next level. But what really sets the RXT1 apart is how it fights just like a real opponent. Its unpredictable punches from any limb will keep you on your toes. There are 3 ways to improve your skills. Learn mode is perfect for beginners who want to drill specific techniques and get a feel for the rhythm and flow of the sport. In spar mode, the robot becomes your personal virtual sparring partner, delivering realistic but unpredictable strikes with 4 levels of difficulty available. You can even use either a southpaw or an orthodox grip. Combination mode offers over 100 preset striking combinations to master or create your own, developing your speed and accuracy as you go. And the best part? The RXT1 doesn't require batteries or a mobile app. All the info and settings you need are on the touchscreen. And it's so lightweight that you can mount it on the wall in 3 easy steps. So can you imagine a better coach than one who never tires and is always ready to train? Get your hands on the RXT1 and experience a training partner like no other. Number 2. Spork Multitool. Get ready to meet your new favorite kitchen accessory, the Food Safe Keychain. This little gem is more than just a spork. It's a convenient package that combines both a spoon and a fork, making it the perfect addition to your on-the-go eating arsenal. Not only is it small and lightweight, but it also has a flat tip for driving screws and 3 metric wrench access holes for quick fixes. And that's not all. With its center hole, it doubles as a pry to open cans, making it a truly versatile tool to have on hand. But here's where things get really interesting. This spork can also be used as a weapon of defense. And with its attached carabiner, you can easily attach it to your bag, pants, or wherever you need it most. And let's not forget about the stylish range of colors to choose from. While there's a hue for every taste, we recommend going for something bright like yellow, pink, or orange. That way, it'll be less likely to get lost in the depths of your bag or backpack. So what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to boring utensils and hello to the ultimate spork, your new food-safe keychain. Number 3. OGT Survival Companion. Looking for a handy tool that can assist you in any emergency situation? Look no further than this compact multi-tool that can easily fit in the palm of your hand. Its body is made of a strong aluminum alloy and is made to last a lifetime. The foldable ferrocerium blade of this multi-tool is just the beginning. It also comes with fire-starting magnesium rods, a blade sharpener, and an emergency whistle, as well as mirrors and reflective sheets. Plus, the thermometer and compass could come in handy too. And on the side, there's a belt attachment with a detachable part that can transform into a screwdriver, bottle opener, can opener, and much more depending on your needs. But that's not all. This multi-tool has even more to offer. With 4 hex wrenches, a scraper with serrated edges, and a measuring tape, you'll be ready for anything. So whether you're heading out on a camping trip or just want to be prepared for anything, this multi-tool is the perfect companion to have by your side. Number 4. OGT Survival Axe. This axe is more than just a chopping tool. It's a masterpiece of versatility. With a hammer, pry bar, and lever included, this axe is ready to tackle any task. And if you're planning a camping trip, the added nail puller is a must-have accessory. But the list of features doesn't stop there. With 10 different tools for dividing wood and even more for general use, this axe is the perfect conversation starter around the campfire. And if you need even more tools, the last option has a body with an impressive 31 tools. Whether you're hiking, camping, or working outdoors, this axe has got your back. And with a foldable knife that extends to 6 inches, you'll always be prepared for whatever comes your way. But what truly sets this axe apart are the safety features. With tools to cut through safety belts and turn off gas supplies, you'll feel unstoppable. So don't hesitate to take on any challenge with this incredible multi-tool by your side. Number 5. Keyport Slide. Behold, a true marvel in key organization, the key holder. With a simple yet elegant design, this small but mighty device can hold up to 4 keys and even pocket tools such as USB drives, flashlights, and pens. This key holder is made with the utmost care out of aircraft-grade aluminum and is made to last. What's more, the hardened spring steel used in its construction ensures it can withstand wear and tear from daily use. The best part? It can be operated with just one hand, making it incredibly convenient for those on the go. And if security is a concern, fear not. The key holder comes equipped with a removable end cap that can lock your keys in place, keeping them safe and secure. Just make sure to check if your keys are compatible with this nifty gadget before you buy. Trust us, it's a game changer. Number 6. 2-in-1 lighter. Check for the epitome of a reliable lighter that will always come to your aid. Its sleek and stylish appearance is a testament to its modern design, which sets it apart from its antiquated predecessors. Crafted from premium-grade metal, this is a lighter that is built to last. This lighter has a micro USB port for charging and a touch-sensitive on/off button, so it can be used for not just one but 2 useful things. Need a quick light for your cigarette? No problem. Need a turbo flame for tougher tasks? You got it. But that's not all. This lighter can also be customized with a laser engraving and comes in a range of alluring colors. And if you're looking for a touch of sophistication, our gold model seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with timeless elegance. No matter what you like, you can count on this lighter to be both comfortable and useful. So why settle for anything less? Number 7. Swiss Army Ring. Get ready to be impressed. Feast your eyes on this magnificent titanium band. It's not only strong and durable, but also practical and stylish. What makes this band truly remarkable is the set of tools that come with it. This is not your average ring. It's a 4-in-1 multi-tool that has all the essential features you need. With a bottle opener, comb, and 2 knives of different lengths, you'll always have what you need at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. You can even customize the ring to your liking by adding additional tools such as pliers. And for all you car enthusiasts out there, we present to you the titanium piston fidget ring. Turn the wheel and enjoy the ride while feeling relaxed and soothed. It's not just a ring, it's a statement piece. Number 8. Titanium Carabiner with folding knife. Get ready for a game changer. Feast your eyes on this titanium carabiner that offers so much more than just holding your keys. It's a mighty little tool that can handle up to 110 pounds of weight, making your keys feel like feathers in comparison. But wait, there's more. With a flick of the wrist, this carabiner turns into a small knife with a scalpel blade that can cut through different materials like butter. Boxes, wires, and paper are no match for it, especially with its 2 rotational axes that make the job a breeze. And when the blade finally loses its sharpness, don't worry. Finding a replacement is easy. Oh, did we mention it also has a ruler? This carabiner is a true game changer and a must-have for anyone who loves practicality and functionality. So what are you waiting for? Check out the product link in the description to get your hands on these amazing gadgets today. Don't forget to leave a comment and let us know which one is your favorite.